Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. Also, you need to turn off the water to the refrigerator. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the water supply tube in the LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a 3/8 open-ended wrench, a pair of pliers and a pair of side cutters, and we need a small zip tie. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new water supply tube. The water supply tube is mounted at the back of the refrigerator. It connects the water inlet valve with the water nozzle. If you are experiencing a water leak at the back of the refrigerator where the water supply tube is located, check the supply tube for cracks and replace it if needed. We will start with removing the water valve cover. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take the screw out. The cover has tabs on both sides. Push the sides in to unlock the tabs, turn the cover and release it. To get to the part, we need to remove the rear access panel. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take out the screws that hold the cover and remove it. Slide the cover away. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the mounting screw and pull the valve out. Place the towel under the water valve. Using the needle nose pliers, pull out the locking ring. Then, using the 3/8" wrench, press down the locking collar and pull out the tube from the valve outlet. Remove the spring from the water supply tube. Remove the Phillips screw and release the supply tube from the holder. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take the retainer screw that holds the water supply tube out, pull the old water supply tube out of the nozzle. Slide the retainer clip off the tube. Using the side cutters, cut the old zip tie off. This is the old water supply tube next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Slide the spring on the tube. Insert the new water supply tube into the water valve inlet. Make sure it's not going anywhere soon. Install the black locking ring. Mount the water valve and secure to the Phillips screw. Remove the towel. Slide the retainer clip on the new supply tube. Insert the supply tube into the nozzle. Tie up the zip tie and using the side cutters, cut the extra off. Using the Phillips screwdriver, secure the retainer clip to the cabinet. Place the supply tube inside the holder and secure it to the cabinet with the Phillips screw. Install the rear access panel. Secure to the Phillips screws. Snap on the water valve cover and secure to the Phillips screw. Turn the water on. Plug the fridge in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.